concerning the judgment of the Supreme Court on local government autonomy, what's the position of Bayelsa? Yes. What's your position?
Well, we had the PDP governors at the meeting yesterday, and I'm sure you would have read the position of the PDP governors. But let me also state the position of the government of Bayelsa State. First, in Bayelsa, we don't believe that we have been fairly treated. That we have just 8 local government areas as opposed to some other states with 44 and 40 local government areas. That to us is injustice. That's not fair. And then you are now granting autonomy and then stamping those local governments against the 8 that we have. And so our position from the beginning of this discourse has been that states should take charge of the number of local governments that they can create, the number of local governments that they can cater for. You don't create local governments and take resources from one state and cater for the local governments in another state. It's robbing Peter to pay Paul. That's what we see in the case of Nigeria. And I stand as a governor of Bayelsa State before you that we need to correct these injustices. And these are the things that brings up bottled up anger and becomes remote causes that will explode one day. We may be quiet today, maybe we may take it, but our children may not take it. So for local government autonomy, in Bayelsa, it is a known secret that Bayelsa state government has been the source of the strength of local governments. We have not only augmented for local governments, we have set up a system that is making local governments to be functional in Bayelsa State. Local governments are not only paying salaries, local governments from when we took over are now involved in capital projects. They are now even having savings in local governments. And they are all being managed by the councils, not by Bayelsa state government. The issue of JAC, the joint account, is to enable the state governments fill the gap where there are gaps in other local government areas. So I am also not very happy when they say governors. If you know some governors are doing it, say some governors. Don't blanketly accuse all of us. Some of us are clean to that level. Thank you.
Thank you very much.